welcome. It's Chef Jason Morse, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Thanks for joining us for today's edition of Ace This Barrel. We are talking everything pit barrel cooker today because we know you've wanted to know everything there is to know, the ins and outs, and what it's like to hang your food and have it cook over this beautiful charcoal base. So today we're going to give you a fun little walkthrough of all things pit barrel, get you dialed in and ready to go to add a pit barrel to your outdoor cooking equipment to make you the legend in the backyard cooking circuit. So thanks for hanging out with us. Hey, be sure to click that little eye up there. That is our information station. You click on that, and that's going to tell you everything about the gear, gadgets, and grills, barrels that we are using today. And then right under the photo of this video, click on that. That will expand that category for you. And what we're going to do is do a little tip sheet for you. So we're going to take the instructions out of here, extrapolate them, and put them onto a fun little tip sheet that will get you up and running for your first cook on the pit barrel. Today, we're going to give you that fun walkthrough, show you everything there is to know about this, and tell you some of the fun things you can do on the barrel. So thanks for hanging out with us. It is time to get into this barrel and hang out for a little bit. Thanks for joining us. All right, if you're anything like me, one of the things you're wondering is, what comes in the box? What do you get with your pit barrel? Well, I always like to scroll to the bottom and find out what it includes. Does it come with any gears? Does it have any gadgets or any extras? And I'll tell you, the box for the pit barrel comes fully loaded with everything you need to get up and running. Let's start with this guy. This cool little tool is gonna help grab your hooks out of there and help pick your hooks up so they're hot, right? You don't wanna grab those with your hands. You're gonna get a couple rubs. You're gonna get their beef and game pit rub. You're gonna get an all-purpose pit rub. You're gonna get this awesome ash and charcoal basket for the bottom of the barrel. Then we've got a grill grate. Why a grill grate? Well, I'll tell you what, put this about halfway down and now you've got some barrel-tastic chicken, turkey, beef, pork, all that good stuff. Then, set that guy down there. You get a couple pieces of rebar. The rebar is actually really cool because that will go through the holes, and now you've got a place to hang your hooks, right? Simple as that. Put your hook in there, hang it on there, and you are good to go. You're gonna get a cover with it as well, and the cool thing about this, one of the most liberating things about the barrel is there's no thermostat, there's no thermometer, there's no temperature gauge, there's no temperature guide. It is just a couple of settings, and we'll walk through that when we get this thing all ready to go, but there's only a couple settings here. So really, you're trusting in your barbecue instincts to add a fantastic flavor to your food. Now, the cool thing, guess what? If you want to add a barrel thermometer or an ambient probe, so easy to do. But I'll tell you, my first cook on here was pretty awesome because I just trusted in my instincts, trusted in my barbecue, adjusted this how they showed me in the instruction manual, and we were good to go. Now, it is time for us to get inside, and let's take a little in-depth look into the pit barrel as well. Well, if you look down inside there, you'll notice something. We added the charcoal basket, right? And the ash basket. We added that in there because that's how you cook. Isn't that crazy? The fire is gonna be at the bottom. You can add lump charcoal in there. You can supplement it with any kind of wood you want. But the great thing is all of your food is now going to hang over that fire. And the great thing is as the juices drip and they drop down onto that charcoal or drop down onto your wood, it creates a beautiful, flavorful smoke that really comes back up and just envelopes and coats all the food that you're cooking. So you get just really an excellent flavor. All right, let's do option number one. Let's say you're just planning to grill. Well, look at that. Now I can do burgers, steaks, chicken, pork chops. I can adjust that flame as high as I want up there to get as much heat, but here you go. Here's the world's best barrel grill. Now I have a lot of options and I have a lot of surface. I can do my turkey in here, I can do chickens, pork tenderloins, all of that good stuff. But that grill grate comes with it as a wonderful accessory to really get you, grilling, I guess, to start. Now, here comes the rebar. You're gonna get 2 pieces of rebar in every barrel. Those guys are gonna go in like that, and then you're gonna get 8 hooks. So the hooks are gonna hang on here, and now imagine hanging chicken legs or chicken thigh leg combos, hanging a beautiful tomahawk steak. Tomahawk, well, guess what? Drill a hole in the bone and now you can hold the bone on there and hang your tomahawks. Ribeyes, chicken. We've hung pork loin, pork tenderloin, and a lot of fantastic things. But look at this. Now you have the world's best hanging vertical barrel smoker as well. Here you go. This is our little tool we talked about. These guys are hot. We don't want to get hurt. Lift that in there. Now I can pick up my ribs, right? I got a beautiful rack of ribs hanging on there. I can spray them. I can check them. And then when I'm done, I can put them back. But look at the versatility of this. From the grill grate to hanging, from ribs to steaks to chicken to pork chops and more. Then down below, I've got the ability to add some beautiful lump charcoal and really supplement it with a lot of wood as well. And I can get as much or as little flavor out of that wood. A little bit of post oak in there, a couple chunks of apple or a couple chunks of hickory, and you've really got a beautiful thing. Now, put the cover on, and look at that, you are set to go, quick and painless. Now, I think it is time that we show you a little bit about how it runs and how we adjust it. When we talk about the versatility of the barrel, like we said before, I've got this beautiful grill grate right here, right? And that guy sits right up about here. So I could put the grill grate in and have a really nice roasted chicken or pork chops or burgers and really let that heat and flame come up and get a beautiful flavor into that, right? Or I have it set up now with the rebar up top here, right? And as you can see, that rebar it's kind of a big hole up here, and you kind of wonder, why is there such a big hole for such a small piece of rebar? But I'll tell you what, it's all part of the venting system that really allows you to put the cover on, and between the bottom vent and the small openings up top, does a fantastic job maintaining temperature. The first time I met Noah and I talked to Noah about it, I thought, how is that gonna control temperature? But I'll tell you what, the instruction manual does a great job, and we're gonna have a good tip sheet for you as well, breaking it all down. But really, based on your altitude or your elevation, where you adjust this is gonna be that air that comes in, right? So it's gonna get that nice and loaded. It's gonna get that charcoal roaring and get it hot, and then we're gonna slow it down a little bit up here, and also with the cover as well. So pretty simple, right? That is your adjustment. Now, what I think, if you're doing low and slow, you might start off half and get it in that 275 or 300 range, and you might go a little bit higher and get it up in that 325, 350, 375 range. Then, let's say you're doing burgers or you're doing chicken. I'm gonna get this thing wide open, and I may even open up the top so I get a nice rush of air in and up, really getting an exceptional sear on my burgers or on my steaks. So I'll tell you what, pretty easy to adjust and absolutely fantastic when it comes to flavor. The barrel does a good job really controlling temperature, controlling flavor, and getting you no flare-ups, but producing just a fantastic, amazing dish. Well, there you have it. Are you ready? Are you ready to add a barrel to the backyard and put one of these bad boys on your patio? Don't worry about begging for forgiveness. You make a couple fantastic meals and you are set to go. So I'm Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Thanks for joining us for today's edition of Get to Know This Grill. We hope we showed you everything. This guy comes packed with so much. You've got that grill grate, you get the rubs, you get the hooks, you get the hook tool, all of that cool things. One of the things I think you should add definitely a set of pit gloves. You're going to appreciate the fact that these keep your hands protected up to about 665 degrees, which is awesome. When it comes time to lighten this charcoal, it's going to be a little bit warm. These pit gloves will come in handy, setting that charcoal in and getting this thing dialed in. Quick, simple, easy to use, but delivers a fantastic flavor. I don't know what more to say. It's awesome, right? It does a great job and more. So thanks so much for joining us for today's video. We really appreciate it. Hey, don't forget to head down to that comment section below. Leave a comment. Tell us what you'd like, what can we help with, and how can we be more helpful. As always, our goal is to make you the legend in the backyard cooking circuit and give you all the tools, gear, and recipes you need to fuel some fantastic cooks as well. And then while you're down there, hey, don't forget to subscribe. Click on that bell, smash that bell, slam that bell so that you are notified when our next Ace This Recipe video is live. Don't forget to tell your friends and family as well, because we want them to join our YouTube channel and they'll be in the know. Or maybe you want to keep them in the dark so you always make good food. I don't know. Then be sure to grab our tips. So right below this video, you'll see the name of the video. Click that. That will expand that section. You can grab our tip sheet. You can click, print, and follow along. And then, now that we have gone through everything that is here and the overview, don't forget at the end of this video, click here or here. We're going to have an awesome follow-up recipe. So we're going to walk you through the very first cook on the pit barrel cooker as well. So I'm Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Thanks for hanging out with us. Happy cooking.